먹었어요. 먹었어요. What does this term mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 먹었어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 261. 먹었어요. 먹었어요. This is composed of 4 syllables. The first syllable is mog, second syllable is os, third syllable is o, and the fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 먹었어요. 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 The term 먹었어요 means ate, as in the past tense of eat, which is 먹어요 in Korean. Again, the past tense of 먹어요 is 먹었어요. This term expresses an action of eating that is already done in the past. Again, 먹었어요 means ate, and this is the past tense of eat or 먹어요. How do we write 먹었어요 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. Let's start with the first one, which is 먹. This is written by joining first a mium character, followed by the o character, followed by the gyok character. The second syllable os is written by joining first a placeholder iyang, followed by the o character, followed by the sangsiyot or the double siyot character. The third syllable o is written by joining first a placeholder iyang, followed by the o character. And then the last syllable yo is written by joining first a placeholder iyang and the yo character itself. So that's 4 syllables in all. 먹었어요. So we just need to combine the hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the hangul of the word 먹었어요. Now, just to summarize our knowledge regarding the word eating in Korean, let's look at these terms. 먹다 is already discussed on this channel. This is the verb that indicates the action of eating. So 먹다 is a root verb, which means to eat. When 먹다 is conjugated into its present tense form, it becomes 먹어요. If you would notice, we still have the 먹 syllable on 먹어요 because we just manipulated the da part to make it conjugated into its present tense form. And this is the same case with 먹었어요. If you would notice, we still have the 먹 part on 먹었어요, and we just added the 어서요 part to make it past tense form. So take note, 먹다 is the root verb, 먹어요 is the present tense form, and 먹었어요 is the past tense form. As mentioned, 먹었어요 is formed by replacing da from 먹다 to 어서요. So 먹 plus 어서요 is 먹었어요, and that makes it a past tense form of 먹다. If you've seen other verbs that has 어서요 at the ending, it's more likely a past tense form of a verb as well. And with that, you've just learned 먹었어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, your previous 10 words are words number 251 to 260. But don't forget our word for today, word number 261, 먹었어요, which means ate, or the past tense of eat. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went, or the past tense of go. Word number 259 is 날씨, which means weather. Word number 258 is Cheonmaneyo, which means good, in a manner surprised or admiring. Word number 257 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying or asking why. Word number 256 is Cheonmaneyo. This is an informal way of saying call me. Word number 255 is 왜요. This is a polite way of asking why. Word number 254 is 안 가요. This is a verb which means to not go or not going. Word number 253 is 안 매워요, which means not spicy. Word number 252 is 전화, which means telephone. And the last for our review, word number 251, 얼마나. This is used to ask how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.